Welcome to class, everybody, and especially to you, Dharmann. Now, I know that Dharmann watches this channel, so I'm really hoping that this is going to help him to become vegan. You see, I have this on my shirt, Go Vegan Like Dharmann, because going vegan is a process. It doesn't just happen like that. You have to understand the message that it scientifically makes sense, it's good for the planet and your health, and you also have to feel in your heart for the animals. So I have a sign here for you, Dharmann. Imagine if this was someone you love. Think of the people in your life. Maybe it's your wife. Maybe it's your child. Maybe it's a brother or a sister or a parent. Maybe a grandparent, or maybe a really good friend. If this was someone that you love, what would you do right now if you were on this truck that's going to a slaughterhouse? What would you say? Everyone has an opportunity to become vegan in their life. All you have to do is open your heart to compassion. I'm not here on this channel to actually try to make you become vegan. My main goal here is to just educate you about what goes on. I can't force you to do anything. I can't make your heart open if it won't open. I can't even make your brain listen to the information if you are deciding right now that you're going to click away from this channel. That's not up to me. All I can do is the best that I can right now to let you know what's going on. This is a 6-month-old pig, still just a baby. That's what bacon is. That's what ham is. That's what salami and pepperoni is. Somebody who is sentient, who had feelings just like a dog, and who didn't want to die. Look into her eyes. Look at her. Bewildered, sad, hungry, thirsty, afraid, exhausted. Do you have compassion in your heart? Have you yourself ever felt like that? I know some of you right now are exactly in that position. Some of you are watching from your beds and you don't want to get up. I understand it's not easy for you. But remember that whatever you're going through, it's not the animal's fault, and you should not take it out on them. Eat other things. You know, when you go to the store, you can choose anything else. There's no reason to pay for this innocent being to go to a gas chamber. Do you know who else we put on trucks and sent to gas chambers? That's what the Nazis did to the Jews. You see, the Holocaust never ended for the animals. It's all the same stuff that's going on, and there's absolutely no reason for it. So Dharmann, I know you're watching. I know you watch this channel, and I do appreciate that very much. And you know I like the work that you do. And what I'm encouraging you to do, Dharmann, is in your videos going forward, to educate people about veganism. Make sure you use the word vegan, and not in a way that everyone else does, making fun of animal rights activists. Remember, being vegan is about the animals, and it's people who really care. And what you should do on your channel, Dharmann, is to make a video about animal rights activists who are caring people, and maybe even one about a child who's vegan in school. Vegan children get bullied all the time simply for speaking out on behalf of the animals. When they tell their friends, hey, I don't want to eat a pig. I don't want to eat a cow. I don't want to eat a chicken. I want to eat other things. I want to protect these animals. And then they get laughed at and bullied. But all it takes is a small group. That child in the school is often the only child who's vegan, but it just takes a few of them to form a little club, and then they have power. So that's what one of your videos could be about, Dharmann. I urge you again to watch the important documentary if you haven't yet seen it. This one here. It's called WatchDominion.com. When you watch it, bring a piece of paper and a pencil and write down the names of all of the animals that you see and how they're treated in the industry. And help me to end this cruelty. Thank you to everybody who's been here all along, all of you who are just hanging out. It takes 100 clicks until you become vegan. It has to get into your head, it has to get into your heart, but you are here. You're at the start, or maybe not. Maybe you've been here and you've gotten already 99 clicks, and maybe just seeing this face will be the 100th click to help you realize and declare your Happy Vegan Declaration Day. I've been vegan for 5 years. Well, a little over that, since June 27th, 2016, and I want you to join me. And you'll see what I mean. When you become vegan, it's just the best feeling ever because you align your morals and your values with your actions. So, Dharmann, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for considering veganism. I know you're on your way. I know you're not there yet, but you're getting there. And by the way, everyone, we have good news. The mayor of New York City, who has newly been elected, is vegan. That's right. So we have power now. We are going places. We are getting the message out there. Saving animals is right. Eating animals is wrong, dharmann. Hurting animals is wrong, dharmann. So share this song and be vegan from now on. Thank you everyone for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. Thank you. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click them. Go and find the other videos that I've done about Dharmann and Mr. Beast and all kinds of different stars, SS Sniper Wolf, and that horrible chef Gordon Ramsay. I've done lots of videos trying to encourage everyone to become vegan, especially people who have a large influence, because if they become vegan, they will save millions of animals by encouraging their audiences. So thank you for sharing my video and for being here, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to give yourself a hug. I mean it. Give yourself a hug. You ready? Even those of you who are mean to me, I want you to give yourself a hug. Ready? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, big hug. Big squeeze. And the reason you're giving yourself a hug is because you are the only person in your life who will always be there. So you got to be your best friend. People come and they go. It's just the way it is, and people will let you down. They'll betray you. I know some of you are feeling like really bad right now. But give yourself a hug and know that I am here rooting for you. Every time you eat a vegetable, picture me going, yes. And every time you walk past the meat aisle, picture me saying, yes. All right, I'm here in spirit with all of you. Really proud of those of you who are on this voyage. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.